Hi friends, in this episode we'll see the carcinogen chemicals which is non-radioactive in nature. Now we can see two important chemicals which are used in all types of industries. Before going to the slide, do not forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and colleagues, put your like and comments in the comment box. The first one is sodium chromate, it's also known as disodium chromate or chromate of soda. The chemical formula is Na2CrO. Now we can see the sodium chromate, which is odorless, yellow, crystalline sand-like solid. It is used to make pigments for paints and inks. Also, it is used as a wood preservative and as corrosion inhibitor in cooling tower. It is used in the manufacturing of chromic acid and used as a strong oxidizing agent. Now, in cooling towers, they are using alternative chemical in place of sodium chromate and sodium dichromate. It is listed as a special hazard chemicals by OSHA, ACGH, DOT, NIOSH, NTP, DEP, IARC, and EPA. Sodium chromate is a probable carcinogen in humans. Mainly hexavalent chromium or chromium 6 compounds cause lung cancer in humans and are teratogen and may also cause reproductive damage such as reduced fertility and interference with menstrual cycles in ladies. So I have to be very careful when working in the chromate or hexavalent chromium atmosphere. Now we can see the limit as per OSHA airborne permissible limit pill is 0.005 milligram per meter cube has hexavalent chromium averaged over 8-hour work period. As per NIOSH recommended airborne exposure limit REL is 0.001 milligram per meter cube as chromium averaged over a 10-hour shift. And as per ACGH, the threshold limit value TLV is only 0.05 milligram per meter cube as chromium averaged over an 8-hour work period. That is for a shift. Now we can see the precautionary method. For exposure over 0.005 milligram per meter cube as chromium 6, you have to use a NIOSH approved air purifying particulate filter respirator with an N95 filter. Exposure over 0.05 milligram per meter cube as chromium 6, use a NIOSH approved supplied air respirator with a full face piece operated in a positive pressure mode. Exposure to 15 milligram per meter cube as chromium 6 is immediately dangerous to life and health. Ideal H value above 15 milligram per meter cube. We have to use a NIOSH approved self-contained breathing apparatus with a full face piece operated in positive pressure mode. When you are working in sodium chromate, or that is chromium 6 hexavalent chromium atmosphere, we have to be very careful. You have to use a particulate filter respirator. If the exposure is less in the atmosphere, if the leakage is more, then you have to use a contained breathing apparatus. Now we can see another important chemical in the coming slide. Before going to the slide, do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues. Now in this slide, we can see the schematic diagram of the two chemicals formulas. This is sodium chromate Na2CrO4, 2 sodium chromate and the oxygen, how it is connected. And this is sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7, 2 sodium chromate and this is oxygen. Before going to the next slide, where we can see about the sodium dichromate in detail, do not forget to subscribe, put your like and comment in the comment box, share it with your friends and colleagues. Now in this slide, we can see another important chemical which is carcinogen in nature, sodium dichromate. It's also known as sodium bicarbonate or disodium salt. Formula is Na2Cr2O7. Sodium dichromate is an odorless red or red-orange crystalline sand-like solid. It is used as a corrosion inhibitor and to make other chemicals. Now they stop using sodium chromate and sodium dichromate in cooling tower as a corrosion inhibitor because it's carcinogen in nature. Used as oxidizers for the production of vitamin K and wax used to produce colored glass and ceramic glaze. Now we can see it is this as a special hazard chemicals by OSHA, ACGH, DOT, NIOSH, NTP, IARC, IRIS, and EPA. Sodium dichromate is a probable carcinogen in humans. Hexavalent chromium or chromium 6 compounds cause lung cancer in humans and has been shown to cause lung cancer in animals too. Now we can see the limit. As per OSHA, airborne permissible limit PEL is 0.005 mg per meter cube as hexavalent chromium average over 8-hour shift. As per NIOSH recommended airborne exposure limit REL is 0.001 mg per meter cube as chromium averaged over 10-hour shift. And as per ACGH, the threshold limit value TLV is only 0.05 mg per meter cube as chromium averaged over an 8-hour work period. We can see the precautionary method while working in the sodium dichromate atmosphere for exposure over 0.001 mg per meter cube as chromium 6 hexavalent chromium. You have to use a NIOSH approved negative pressure air purifying particulate filter respirator with a NRRP under filters. Exposure over 1 mg per meter cube as chromium 6 use a NIOSH approved supplied air respirator with a full space piece operated in a positive pressure mode. Exposure to 15 mg per meter cube as chromium 6 is immediately dangerous to life in IDLH. And above 15 mg per meter cube use a NIOSH approved self-contained breathing apparatus with a full face piece operated in a positive pressure mode equipped with an emergency escape air cylinder. Now in cooling towers as corrosion inhibitor, air layer it is used in many fertilizer industries and petrochemical industries as a corrosion inhibitor. Now they have avoided it. But in pharmaceutical chemicals, where it is used, sodium dichromate is used as a in the production of vitamin K and wax. So the exposure to chromium 6 is possible. So we have to take care of the respirator which is mentioned before going into the atmosphere to avoid the inhalation of the chromium 6 in the atmosphere because it's carcinogen in human. Before seeing the next episode, do not forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and colleagues, put your likes and comments in the comment box. And if you have a doubt, you can cross check the sodium chromate and dichromate which are in carcinogen in nature in the hazard chemical list. Right to know hazard chemical list. Thank you very much. See you in the coming episode or next episode with more chemicals which are radioactive, which are non-radioactive in nature but carcinogen in nature. Thank you very much.